Okay, today we will be talking about graphical representation of data. Very simply, we will try to ascertain certain problems of what can happen, what can come in your examination. We will try to discuss those issues. So, as previous class, this time also I will be writing down, because you cannot do numbers without writing down. You cannot show presentations and do number work. Okay, so we are now sharing the whole screen. I'm going to open board. Are you able to see open board, blackboard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we will be talking about graphical representation of data. Representation this will be our work today. So basically, quantitative data can be represented through charts and diagrams. Basically, they are charts and diagrams. Quantitative data. Through charts and diagrams. So what is the basic advantage of using them? Easily understood. More attractive. देखे better clear বোঝা যায় আরো দেখতে better লাগে. Then it shows trends and tendencies. Trends and tendencies. Trend and tendencies means you can predict where your data is going, how the inflation is increasing, how the blood sugar is increasing, how the blood pressure is decreasing, all these things. Then, easy to detect mistakes. If you look at pictures, it is more simpler to detect mistakes there. Problem hole, mistake hole, অসুবিধা হলে এখানে easily দেখা যায়. Shows relationships much better. Shows relationship. আচ্ছা. Universal applicability. সবাই পৃথিবীতে বুঝতে পারে. Okay. But what are the decide? These are the advantages. What are the disadvantages? It does not show details or all facts. Details or all facts. This is many things. And it is very approximate, not exact. Accurate नहीं होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा. Lot of time to prepare graphs. Clear? বুঝতে পারছো এটা? Basically, we are making graphs. Okay? শুনতে পাচ্ছো?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what are the different types of diagrammatic representation? Different types of diagrammatic representation. So there are different ways by which we can graphically represent data. So what are these? One is line diagram or graph. Line diagram, graph. You people know how to use this. You have made lots of graph. Then you have bar diagram. Bar diagram. Then you know have something known as pie chart. Histograms. Frequency polygon. Polygon. And one more thing which you have not heard, ogives. Ogives are nothing but cumulative frequency polygon. Cumulative polygon. Here also the graphical representation for ungrouped data. What are the ways by which you can do ungrouped data? Hey, short questions will come from here. First is line diagrams, graphs. Line diagram, graphs. Then you can use bar diagrams. Then you can use pie diagrams or charts. Then pictograms. Let me tell you, whatever data or projects you are doing, if you represent the data through these things, say for example, you are taking the blood pressure of all the students in the group in your class. So if you represent those data as using these graphical representation, your data gives a bigger impact and you get more marks. Now, then the next page, we will go to line diagrams or graphs. Some people call them as histograms also. Line diagrams, graphs, histograms. So this is the most common way of interpreting, representing statistical data. So what is it? What is this done? It is drawn on plain paper. প্লেন পেপার মানে ফ্ল্যাট পেপার, you can do it on a graph and computer also. Plotting one variable say x on x-axis versus second variable say y on y-axis. So x and y-axis, they intersect at a region called origin. Now let us try to draw this graph. I am drawing a data. Say for example, a trial and a score. You are trying to hit playing 9 pins. A trial is you're throwing the ball to throw the dice. You're doing at something, a trial. So if I do give it a trial and the score of the trial, you are giving a test. Trial number 1, you are getting 5. Trial number 2, you're getting 6. Trial number 3, you're getting 2 again. Trial number 5, you're getting whatever score. So you go, trial goes on like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us do 7 trials and let us see our scores. Score, say you get 2, 3, again 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. Say these are your scores. Now you want to look at the performance. So you draw an x-axis and this x-axis will be trial. Sorry, scores. Scores ki ache? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the origin. And trial. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you have to plot. Say trial 1. These are the trial. Trial 1, what was your score? 2. 1 point is over here. In trial 2, what was your score? 3. এই যে 3 এখানে 1 2 3 4. Your score is here. Trial এইখানে গেছে. ठीक है? Then trial 3 में score क्या आया? 2. Oh, sorry, I'm drawing it wrong. Let's draw it. Trial 1. What was the score? 2. 8 at trial 1. Trial 2. What was the score? 3. Trial 3. What was the score? 2. Then trial 4. score was 3. Trial 5, it came here. Trial 6, again 2. Then trial 7, it went to 1. So basically from the origin, you can draw this. You can see how you can see your performance on the graph. So this is known as line graph. Clear? বুঝতে পেরেছো? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So this is a trial graph. Next, we are going to bar diagrams. Here, it is a graph on which data are represented in the form of bars. Data is represented in form of bars. So there are 3 types of bar diagram. First is a simple bar diagram. Say, basically it consists of a number of equally spaced vertical bars. Number of equally spaced vertical bars. Uniform width. And originating from the x-axis or y-axis, however you want to show it. So let us do it. Heartbeat of 4 mammals. So the name of the mammal I'm writing and heartbeat per minute. Heartbeat per minute. So first let's see whale. 75 beats per minute. Then let's see horse. 45 beats per minute. Pig. 70 beats per minute. And cow. 50 beats per minute. Now you are trying to draw this. You first whale, horse, pig, cow. Whale, horse, pig, and cow. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now, whale 75. One drawn like this. Horse 45. Pig 70. Cow 50. So this is clear. This is a simple bar diagram. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will go to multiple or group by bar diagrams. Multiple or group this represents more than one type of data at a time. More than one type of data at a time. Say, for example, girls, boys in a classroom in college. We have girls and boys. Okay. So, number of girls, number of boys. So, and you have first year, second year, third year. কতজন পড়ছে? So, let's see girls, boys. First year, you have say 10 girls, 12 boys. Second year, 9 girls, 11 boys. Third year, 9 girls, 10 boys. How will you draw this? Here on the y-axis, number of students. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, আরো লম্বা করছি 9, 10, 11 and 12. Next you have first year, second and third. First number of boys, let's see. 12টা boys. Number of boys, I am making the bar like this. And number of girls, 10. This is number of girls. Immediately, you can see the difference between boys and girls. Pictorially, you can see the trend. Second year, you have 11 boys. And 9 girls. Here, so immediately boys and girls, you can find the difference. And in the third year, you see 9 girls and 10 boys. Immediately, you can see that more number of boys they leave than the number of girls. At a trend, you can see. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us go to a pie diagram or chart.
This bar diagram is completed, sir.
हाँ, bar diagram completed.
सर 3 टाइप्स बोले तो 2 ही टाइप बोले ना, सिंपल और मल्टीपल.
हाँ,
और एक क्या टाइप?
और एक था कंपोनेंट बार डायग्राम, वो पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं है.
ठीक है सर.
वो कंपोनेंट वाला ऐसे ही होता है कि मतलब एक में ही एक राइट साइड एक होता है, लेफ्ट साइड में एक होता है.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
तो पाई डायग्राम और चार्ट. So basically this is a circular diagram. एक गोल है, एक पाई, गोल पाई. इट्स अ गोल पाई. एंड इस पाई का कितना पार्ट तुम खा लिया, या which part what pie which part is what, that depends. So for example, it is marks obtained in a test examination by a bioscience students in BB college. Marks bioscience student BB college. So let zoology में he or she gets 65. Botany में 60. Physiology 55. Okay. So this is what he's got. Now, what a total कितना होता है? Total number of components बोलते हैं. If you add components, you add all these marks. 5 10 10 180. You get 180. This is the total number of components. Now, you make a table. Subject, marks, and one more is angle. क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक angle, you have to make an angle. Zoology, botany, physiology. 65, 60, 55। अब एंगल कितना होगा? 65 बाई 180, 180 टोटल है, 180 इंटू सर्कल का 360 होता है, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 130 डिग्री। इसका भी होगा, इसका होगा 60 बाई 180 इंटू 360। पाई का कितना पार्ट होगा? दिस इज 120, एंड दूसरा है 55 110। नाउ you can take a protractor and draw. ये जूलॉजी का हुआ, ये जूलॉजी 55 65, ये बॉटनी 60 और ये फिजियोलॉजी 55। 130 डिग्री, सॉरी दिस इज 130, 120 और 110। क्लियर? अंडरस्टैंड? हेलो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके, देन वी स्टॉप टुडे। आज ओवरडोज हो जाएगा इसके बाद। अब ग्रुप डेटा को लेके हम लोग वर्क करेंगे, फ्रीक्वेंसी, पॉलीगन एंड दीज थिंग्स। यहाँ से ही तुम लोग यू कैन स्कोर अ लॉट ऑफ मार्क्स और सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी।
ओके सर,
ओके,
थैंक यू सर।
क्वेश्चन আছে?
No,
না
sir.
স্যার, কোশ্চেন তো কিছু নেই।
क्वेश्चन नहीं? তাহলে বাই বাই।
বাই বাই স্যার।
Thank you, sir.
वेलकम।